Hey everyone, welcome back to my garden. I thought I would show you in March what I'm growing in my greenhouse. I must admit it's a little messy, but if it wasn't messy, then is it really a working greenhouse? Let's check out what I'm growing. All right, so this is my greenhouse. I purchased it from Costco online and it cost around $3,000. I get that question a lot, so I'm not trying to brag, but I know a lot of people are gonna ask me. And the brand is Canopia from Palmra. Palmra, I believe. I'm really happy with it, except one thing. I've never had one of the doors latch correctly, so I have like a little door stop to keep it shut. So one drawback, but they blamed it on the way I put it together, so could be me, who knows. It is what it is. All right, so this is the messy greenhouse. I have my cool planting station and then lots of racks. So let's see what I got growing. I think these are herbs. They haven't popped up yet. Let's see. These are eggplant. Looking good. Let's see. These are lots of peppers that haven't popped up yet. Roma tomatoes. All right. Then we have some broccoli rabe and a whole bunch of snapdragons. I'm super excited about that. I'm really trying to plant flowers every time I plant a bunch of vegetables. And then some winter choy coming up and some beets in the back. I usually direct sow those, but I was just kind of experimenting. Let's see, we've got some oregano and tarragon and sage. And then here we've got some, oh, cute green globe artichokes and mustard greens, mustard spinach in the back. This is the sage that I clipped and put in rooting soil. Looks like they're doing great. Some more tomatoes, and let's see what I have over here. And this is Chinese cabbage. And then I don't think this has popped up yet. These are more peppers. So that's what I've got growing in the greenhouse today. What are you growing? Thanks for joining me today at the Treehouse Garden. My name's Kimberly, if I haven't met you yet. I hope you like this video. Follow for more garden tips. Stay tuned for some amazing, yummy garden to table recipes. And don't forget to seed the day.